Who's your best friend? Oh, is that your best friend?
What? I'm trying to watch something. What? What do you want?
How men talk to dogs.
Hey, buddy, you good boy.
How women talk to dogs.
Ooshy pooshy, ooshy gooshy go.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog?
Yes!
I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah.
We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us.
Hey Layla, why don't you say hi to your friend? Say howdy, partner. Look over there. Look. Look. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. You see him? Say hi, friend. Say hi. Aww.
Nova, it's time to go. It's time to go, Nova. Don't jump in the water. Don't give me that. Really? I'm gonna have a talk with you.
Paws. Wipe the paws. Wipe the paws. Wipe them. Wipe them. Good girl.
To find this waiting for me in my bed. She had the puppies. Oh my god. I haven't even counted them yet. I'm so excited. Look at this wonderful mama with their tiny little squirts. I'm gonna need both hands to count them. I just counted. I think there are 8 of them. Ah!
Them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I thought would be impossible. Impossible.
Spoon up. I wonder who did it. Can anybody tell me who did this? Who did it? Oh, is somebody guilty? Is somebody guilty?
hiding? Huh? What are you hiding? Let me see. What's this? Gigi, what's this?